Mtazamaji unayemwona hapo ni jaji mkuu na tayari kikao kimeanza, hivyo basi wacha nikupeleke moja kwa moja ili tuweze kusikia kutoka mahakama ya juu.
Go ahead and give the quorum.
Dr. Kamino. Yes, my Lord Chief Justice, on behalf of the petitioners is Dr. Kamino, assisted by Mr. Dobi. For the respondents, we have Mr. Peter Wanyama, and for IEBC, the second respondent, we have the Honorable Paul Moite, Kamau Karori, Paul Nyamodi, and Mr. Mahat. For the first interested party, the Attorney General, is Githu Muigai Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. Samuel Kaumba and Ms. Mudoni Kanyugo. Paul Muite Senior Counsel, I already made that reference. Yeah, I think my friend Mr. Orengo wants to make sure that when I get to him, I do not omit Senior Counsel. For the third interested party, we have Mr. Fred Gatia and Mr. Kimani Kirago, Mr. Ken Ogeto, Mr. Katwa Kigen, Ms. Melissa Ngania, and Mr. Tom Masharia. Now, for Mr. Japheth Kalunyu, interested party, we have Mr. Paul Kirago Wadhuta. Now, for the second interested party, we have Elias Mwama and Ignatius Mohocha. Now, we have the Honorable James Orengo, Senior Counsel, Mr. Paul Mwangi, Professor Sihanya, Mr. Nelson Harvey, Mr. Dan Manzo, Mr. Jackson Awele, and Ms. Julie Soweto. That, my Chief Justice, represent the appearances in this matter. And I thank you.
Thank you very much, Counsel. This is the order made by the President of the Court. Regrettably, and with due apologies to all the parties, this matter cannot proceed to hearing this morning as earlier scheduled for the following reasons. Following the events of last night, which are in the public domain, the Honorable, the Deputy Chief Justice and the Deputy President of the Court is not in a position to come to court. The Honorable Justice Ibrahim is unwell and is out of the country for treatment. The Honorable Justices Ojwang and Wanjara are not able to come to court. The Honorable Justice Njoki Ndung'u is out of Nairobi and has been able to get a flight back to Nairobi in time for the hearing of this matter. That leaves Justice Lenaola and I as the only judges present. As the two of us cannot form a quorum under Article 163(2) of the Constitution, this matter cannot therefore be heard this morning. It's accordingly adjourned to a date to be taken in the registry. Once again, my apologies